Alright, so we're going to get us a cold start on the old lawnmower. Let's see. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen it. It's still alive. I'm not going to say it's doing good, but it's still alive. We've been through some rough spells of not running right, but it's okay right now. So we're going to see. We're going to see how she starts. Oh yeah. Starts right up. Like usual. Alright, so we're going to do a voiceover drone flight around here. And I'll go to some of the places around here, show y'all how everything's doing, what we're going to be doing today. And yeah, it should be pretty cool. I don't know if I've ever done a voiceover drone flight, so let's get into it. Alright, so we're up in the air. Don't mind the dump truck noises in the background. So right over here, we got the pond. I know y'all hadn't seen that. Well, y'all hadn't seen anything over here in a while. Pond's doing decent. Had a lot of turtles in it. I mean, that's not really like a super big deal, but really the main problem is I'm pretty sure we do have a leak somewhere in the pond because, well, let's see if I can zoom in. I'm pretty new to this drone stuff. You see the drain pipe right there. I'm not gonna fly down that low because I'm afraid I'm gonna hit a tree. But the water level is always staying below that drain pipe, and you can see the bank right there. You can just see how much lower the water is. And I mean, we had a big rain yesterday, so you know it's not evaporating that quick. So there is a leak somewhere. That's unfortunate, but at least the leak is not at the very bottom or something. You know, it is still up enough. But that's how the pond is doing. So we'll fly over here. Here is the garden where we had our corn in. As you can see, there is no corn in that anymore. Also, sorry for the skid steer noises now. There's no corn in it anymore. Probably 2 months ago, you know, we got all the corn out of it. So it's got all the corn out of it, so you know it's nice and smooth again. Got the pasture right here. So here's the lower garden down here. It's doing pretty good. I don't know if I ever told y'all what all we had planted in this, but just various stuff. We had some corn. Okra is mainly what we got planted in here. So down here we got the pepper garden. They're doing very well. We were a little concerned at first about the peppers because they really weren't putting out, but it just turns out that, you know, we had to wait a little bit more. But as you can see, all the peppers down there, they're doing really good. They're putting out lots of peppers, so good to see that. You know, especially we started those seeds and just, you know, from little seeds to full-grown pepper plants, so it'd be kind of a shame to see them die, so that's nice. So what our main thing today is, what we're going to be doing today, we had somebody come over here and cut. There were some dangerous trees around. I say some dangerous, they really weren't dangerous, but they would have been dangerous. So y'all can kind of see it from here. You can see where a tree is cut. I'm trying to point, but you know, I can't point on the screen. Right down there is where a tree was cut, and that tree was hanging right over the shop. I mean, it was pretty dangerous, really. So come over here, cut that. So there's just, you know, obviously right over there is some brush we need to move. That should be easy. We got the skid steer, the grapple bucket, so that should be pretty easy. Then over there is just some chunks of wood and stuff. You know, obviously I had to take it down in chunks. Then over here, this is where it really, oh, stay out the tree. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous about flying this thing. It's kind of expensive. I don't think y'all can really see it, but down there, y'all see where, y'all can see where a tree has been cut. That hung right over, actually, I mean, you can kind of see like where the limbs and stuff were. That hung right over the barn. And I will go back on the ground here in a second, but that's pretty much like a whole tree. The logs are just sitting out in the woods right there blocking a path, so we'll have to go clear that. But that's pretty much the main goals for today, is just to clear the trees out and just get everything looking nice again. And, you know, of course, I'll show y'all like the bass pond up there, how the bass are doing and stuff like that. So all right, so right through here is a little trail we got. If you've been subscribed for a little while, my birthday this year, you'll remember this little hole right here where the mud was. We had a little fun with the lawnmower. So that's this trail, and it goes up through here, and yeah, now there's a tree there. So like y'all saw on the drone footage, the tree was right over there and was leaning directly over the barn. So now it's here. That's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. That over there, that shouldn't take long at all, really. I mean, it's gonna be aggravating because we're gonna have to just take some of that wood out from behind the barn and bring it out to the front here, but it's not, I mean, it's not a big deal. We're just gonna have to tote it all. But this right here, that's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot of cutting and stuff, but we got the dump truck, got the skid steer, got a backhoe if we need it, got plenty of chainsaws with us and stuff, so we are not short on supplies, so that should be good. But yeah, that's a lot to do. It's all up in the, we'll have to watch out for like hangers and stuff, because there's a lot of limbs and stuff up in the trees from that. Past that tree, you got Widowmakers. I'll go get my little stock horse that's still down there, but we'll, I guess, start limbing it up down there. Right about there. So a little update on the fish in the pond. As y'all can see right there, threw out some fish food. My phone is up to my sunglasses right now, trying to get the polarization. But the carp, so we put 4 carp in here. 1 died. Well, we guessed. It disappeared. So, you know, there's only one way, there's only one option for what happened to it. So there's 3 in here now, but the 3 that are in there, especially one of them things, he is big. Like, I mean, he's probably almost 2 foot at this point. Big carp, they're growing really good, and they're not up right now. They'll come here in just a second, but the catfish, so, you know, we put, you know, I made a video about it, but we put, I think we put 200 catfish in this pond, and we were really worried about them for a while, actually, because, like, for months, we didn't see them, I mean, we'd throw food out here, they wouldn't come up, so we thought they died or something, but, it's probably been a month ago now, they started coming up and eating. Now they're still small. I mean, they're about 5-6 inches, stuff like that. So they're still pretty small, and it takes them a minute to come up and eat. But when they do come up and start eating, I'll see if I can get some shots for y'all. Just had a few catfish come up and eat. Yeah, there you go. Y'all may not be able to actually like see them too good, and if I zoom in more, it's just gonna get all pixelated. But those things hitting the top of the water right there, those are all catfish. So they're pretty cool. Now, I don't think y'all can, but I can actually see them. And they're about 5-6 inches long, so they're doing good. It's good to actually see them eating. And well, here's Bass Pond. I didn't really take into consideration that it rained really hard yesterday, so it is very muddy right now. So I know y'all probably can't, y'all can see a little bit right there. Some of the fish. Let me put my sunglasses over. Maybe y'all can. And my sunglasses are fogged up. Yeah, y'all can see a little bit better. Bass are doing good. Been feeding them really good. Worms, shiners. The brim are doing really good. They're growing really fast, actually. Eating all the worms and stuff. I don't know if y'all have seen, but put some brush in there for them. Yep, we got 4 bass in here. We used to have 3 brim, but we only have 2 now because one of the brim we put in there was from the lake. And when we caught it at the lake, it wasn't doing too good. So I hadn't seen it in a while, but they're doing pretty good. Yeah, enjoy watching them grow. We got it all cleaned up. Well, all the logs. I mean, he's gonna come back through here with the skid steer and the bucket and smooth it all out, and smooth that out and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. I mean, I know it wasn't a very exciting video and stuff, but I hadn't posted much, and well, see, I posted a dirt bike video a little while ago, but it's just been a while since I posted stuff. And I know, see, it's kind of hard for my audience because I got a lot of different people subscribe to me and stuff, because some people watch me because of dirt bike riding, some because of mountain biking, some hunting, fishing, vlogs. So it's hard to give content to everybody that's subscribed to me. So today is for the vlog people. So I hope y'all did enjoy the video. If you did, go down there, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, go down there and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one.